नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। This is JVN Professor Dr. Anil Kumar Wangani, HOD Department of Repertory. I welcomes you all at 1 p.m. repertory class in May 2020 on digital version 2.0 JVWU platform, which is best human university in India. We are delivering these digital sessions on YouTube video channel at the link given below, which you can note as per schedule provided by the university having the best homeopathic college in Jaipur. Please listen carefully. I hope this lecture will satisfy your quest for knowledge. But in case of any doubt or query, you can drop your comment in the comment box of the YouTube, which we will answer in problem solving session on the day allotted by the university. Let us now begin with the digital session. The title of the session today is the use of diagnostics in repertory, part 5. As I told you in the last lecture that we will continue with IJAIGA's repertory with more clinical rubrics because it is ocean of clinical rubrics, IJAIGA's repertory. It is a Japanese repertory. So in the IJAIGA's gastrointestinal, we will find hemorrhoids, clinical forms, large hemorrhoids. And the main medicines you have got 44 medicines against this rubric, but I will only speak the main medicines which are Aesculus, aloe, arnica, arsenic, capsicum, carbonimalis, carbovage, ferrum, graphitis, calicarb, lycopodium, mercurius, muriatic acid, nitric acid, nux vomica, pulsatilla, sulfur, puja, etc. These are for large hemorrhoids. Then again in azygas, gastrointestinal, hemorrhoids, clinical forms, strangulated type of hemorrhoids having thrombophlebitis in them. 10 medicines are there. Aesculus, aloe, arsenic, belladonna, echinacea, lachesis, nux vomica, peonia, phylacea and sulfur. Then for the rubric rectal polyps, the medicine are ammonium mure, calcarea carb, calcarea phos, calibrom, nitric acid, nux vomica, phosphorus, ruta, sanguinaria, teucrium. Then for the cases of rectal prolapse, 74 medicines are indicated, out of which the main are Aesculus, Antipode, Apis, Belladonna, Causticum, Digitalis, Dulcamara, Ferrum, Calcinium, Graphitis, Adrastis, Lachesis, Lyco, Magmure, Medurinum, Nux vomica, Plumbum, Podophyllum, Ruta, Sepia, Syphilinum, Tabacum, Zincum. Then in Zyga gastrointestinal, we find remedies for roundworms. They are 47 in number, out of which the important ones are acetic acid, arsenic, verapamil, cinna, china, granatum, ignatia, natrum phos, nux vomica, phosphorus, sabidilla, phylacea, Sinapis nigra, Quilla, sulfur, teucrium, Urtica urens, malariana. Then worms, round type of worms, the bruchites. There are 32 remedies, out of which the main are Alum sativa, Calcarea, Carbonium sulf, Cicuta, Cinna, Graphitis. Lycopodium, mercurius, Nux vomica, Sabadella, Spigelia, sulfur, terebinthina. For tapeworm, tinea, the remedies are 29, out of which the main are Calcarea, Carboanimalis, China, Cuprum, Graphitis, Magnior, Mercurius, Nuxworm, Pulsatilla, Sabadilla, sulfur, terebinthina, and thuja. For Ichaiga, hepatic remedies, especially for the cirrhosis of liver, 5 medicines are discussed. They are arsenic, chelidonium, lycopodium, nux vomica, phosphorus. For the cases of hepatitis A, 5 medicines are indicated, out of which the given one are chelidonium, hepar, lyco, mercurius, and phosphorus in the highest grade for hepatitis A. For hepatitis A in newborn, the medicine are chelidonium, mercurius, phosphorus. In genitourinary system, certain clinical rubrics are given like cystitis, that is inflammation of the bladder due to some infection. 5 medicines are given. They are berberis, cantharis, lycopodium, pulsatilla, URC. For dysuria or difficult urination, the medicines are causticum, chimaphila, conium, thuza. For glomerulonephritis, which is having hematuria, edema, albuminuria, only one medicine is there, that is Apis mellifica. Then for gonorrhea, which occurs due to Neisseria gonorrhoeae, 4 medicines are there. They are cannabis sativa, Mercor, Pulsatilla, and Thuza. Then for kidney stone, colic or renal colic, the medicines are Apis, Barbaris, Cantharis, Chamomilla, Coffea, Lycopodium, Nux vomica, Pereira brava, Sarsaparilla. For orcoepididymitis, only single medicine is there, that is Pulsatilla. For in Ijaiga Gynae chapter, for Bartholinitis, 7 medicines are given. They are Hepar, Lachesis, Merc, nitric acid, Sepia, Silesia, and Tarantula C. For the cases of cervicitis, 3 medicines are given. They are Creosote, Mercurius, nitric acid. In case of dysmenorrhea, 4 medicines are given. They are belladonna, colocynth, laccan, and can you name this? Viburnum opulus. Then in case of endometriosis, 5 medicines are given. They are laccan, lachesis, lycopodium, pulsatilla, and sepia. For genital herpes, 10 medicines are given. They are arsenic, dulca, graphitus, mercurius, natronamur, nitric acid, petroleum, frostox, sepia, and sulfur. In continuation of Vijayagha Gynae chapter, under mastitis, 6 medicines are given. Important are Calcarea, Mercurius, Phytolacca, Silesia. For menopause, 4 medicines are given: lachesis, lipo, sepia, and sulfur. For metritis, inflammation of the uterus, 8 medicines are there, out of which the important are belladonna, lachesis, sabina, picase. For miscarriage, 6 medicines are given, which are as follows: gelsemium, calicar, pulsatilla, sabina, sepia, and syphilinum. For ovarian cysts, 2 medicines are given. They are Apis and Thuja. For premenstrual syndrome, that means pains before menstruation or other complaints before menstruation, 4 medicines are there: Calcarea, Conium, Calicarb, Laccan. For urinary retention postpartum, single medicine is Causticum. For uterine fibroids, 6 medicines are given. They are Aurum Calcarea, Calcarea 4, Mitorinum, phosphorus, and thuja. For vulvitis, two medicines are there. They are creosote and mercurius. In Aegygas respiratory, for asthma, 9 medicines are there. The main are arsenic, endimetard, ipecac, natrum sulph, calicab, nux-vomi, sambucus. For atelectasis, that means collapse of the lung, two medicines are there. Curite, endimetard. For pleurisy, 8 medicines are there. They are apis, arsenic, bryonia, calicab, myrrh, natrum mu, phosphorus, and sulfur. For pneumonitis again, which is a viral inflammation of the lungs and pleura, 8 medicines are there. Out of which the important one are arsenic, belladonna, phosphorus, rustox. In Aegygas musculoskeletal, certain diagnostic rubrics are given like rheumatoid arthritis, having arthritic nodosities. 45 medicines are there, out of which the important ones are arnica, benzoic acid, calcarea fluor, Arboanimalis, Causticum, Colchicum, Graphitis, Pipar, Kaliiode, Lidum, Lithium carb, Lyco, Natramure, Nux vomica, Pulsatilla, Rhododendron, Rustox, and Artica urens. In case of rheumatoid arthritis, if there is ganglion on wrist, the medicines are ammonium carb, Oromure, Calcarea, Carboveg, Silesia, and sulfur. If there is rheumatoid arthritis of juvenile type, which is an autoimmune disease, 4 medicines are there. It's Natramure, Pulsatilla, Rustox, and Tuberculinum. So these are all in this session. So we have learned about various clinical rubrics which are mentioned in Aegygas repertory, which is a Japanese repertory, full of clinicals. In the next session, again, we will discuss Aegygas, a more critical rubric given in Aegygas repertory. So at the end of this session, I would like to give you an assignment which, which is having a subjective question which carries 10 marks, and the time allotted will be 30 minutes to solve it. And the question is, give example of a few musculoskeletal or genitourinary rubrics from Aegygas repertory, and how will you individualize using them? You have to give some examples from musculoskeletal or genitourinary rubrics from Aegygas repertory, and you have to tell how to individualize using such clinical rubrics. So, but I hope you liked and you are satisfied with this session. And in case you have any doubt or query, please mention it in comment box given in this YouTube channel. We will resolve the query as soon as possible on the day as provided by the university. Thank you all for being attentive. Take care of your health. See you again in the next session.